Hello, I'm Neil Slosher, one of the instructors of the Powerline Technician program here at NAIT. When you see big Powerline towers, think of us. Powerline technicians build, maintain, and repair overhead and underground electrical power transmission and distribution systems. From putting up steel, wood, or concrete poles, towers, guy wires, underground cable lines, and much more are covered by the Powerline Technician program. In emergencies and crises, the Powerline technicians are the front line in restoring power. You'll be able to become an expert at reading wiring diagrams, using voltage circuit testers and other specialized equipment to identify and solve problems like defective or failed equipment, such as circuit breakers, fuses, or voltage regulators. Powerline Technician program is a 4-year journeyperson program with about 30 hours a week in class and labs. NAIT's Powerline program is committed to your success, and we look forward to seeing you soon.